Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening YouTube and signing in. This ensures your preferences save. Once done, go to Settings and find Appearance or Accessibility. Different apps show it differently. Locate where text appears, captions, menus, comments, and the player UI. This first step matters because reducing font size requires deciding which area you'll change. You'll act now on the most impactful area, not every label. Make sure you note the current size so you can revert if needed. Next, focus on captions and the player text because they're the most visible. Open Captions settings and select Small or enter a custom font size. This changes on video subtitles. For menus and player labels in browsers, reduce zoom with Control or Command and minus. That shrinks UI text without touching video resolution. On mobile, adjust the app's accessibility or the system font size slider to reach the same result. These steps control where text scales and avoid breaking layout, so proceed carefully and test playback. To finish, test your changes across several videos to ensure captions and UI remain legible and don't overlap. If text refuses to shrink, clear cache and cookies, update the app or browser, and verify zoom is not stuck above 100%. You can use a lightweight browser extension for finer text control, but make sure it's trusted. Extensions can break page behavior. If something goes wrong, revert to your noted original size, then apply one change at a time to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.